the GCSE Maths Series. Today we're going to be taking a look at equation of a line. So let's get straight into it. So the basic form for the equation of a line is y equals to mx plus c. Y and x are just variables in this case, and they're to do with the y-axis and the x-axis. M is our gradient, which we worked out in the last video, and c is our value of when x is 0, where does the line cross the y-axis? So where does the line cross the y-axis? Okay, so looking at this example I've got, 2 is our gradient and 3 is our y-intercept. Questions that I've picked out, guys. First question is, find the equation from these 2 points. Find the equation of the line which passes through these 2 points. So the first one, these are the 2 coordinates. So the first thing that we need to do is something we did in the previous video, which is to find out the gradient. We do this by labeling our coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2. So we're now going to have to use our formula for the gradient, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, like that. Now, working out our gradient, it's going to be y2 is 6, y1 is 4, x2 is 5, x1 is 1. So our gradient is going to be 2 over 1, which is equal to 2. So now the new formula is going to be y equals to 2x plus c. If you remember, from y equals mx plus c, our x and our y's are just variables, so they're going to remain like that. Our m is our gradient, and as our c is our y-intercept. Now, what we do is we take one of the coordinates from above, and it doesn't matter whether we choose a or b. We then label them x and y, and we fill it into our formula to then work out our c. So 4 is equal to 2 brackets 1 plus c. So 4 is equal to 2 plus c. Now we need to make c the subject of the formula to solve for it. So minus 2 from both sides, and we get 2 is equal to c. So our equation of the line is y equals to 2x plus c. So let me write that in first. Y equals to 2x plus, did I write c? I meant to write 2x plus 2. Yeah, so 2x plus 2. Okay, now looking at our question number 2, we have points P and Q, where P is minus 3 and 2, and Q is 3 and 8. We first label our coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2, and we find out our gradient to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is equal to 8 minus 2, 3 minus 3. So we then have 6, 3 minus 3, the minus is turned to a positive, so we have 6 over 6, which is equal to 1. So our format is y equals x plus c. Plugging in our values, I'm going to choose 3 and 8 just because they're both positive. We get 8 is equal to 3 plus c, and c is therefore equal to 5. So our equation of this line is y equals to x plus 5. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Moving on to parallel lines. When two lines are said to be parallel, it is known that their gradient function, so their gradient, their m values are equivalent. And it does not matter what the c value is. As long as the m values are the same, the two lines are parallel. So line A has the equation y equals 3x plus 2. Line B is parallel to line A and passes through the point 1, 4. We can label this x and y. Find the equation of line B. We know that it's parallel to line A, meaning the general form for this is going to be 1, which has a gradient of 3. We now know our point 1 and 4, which is x and y. Plugging in our x and y, we get 4 is equal to 3 times by 1 plus c. So 4 equals to 3 plus c. So therefore c is equal to 1. So the equation of line B is equal to y equals to 3x plus 1. This is our equation of line B. Looking at question number 2, a line L passes through the point minus 2, 5, and is parallel to the line y equals minus a half x plus 6. Find the equation of line L. So we know that our line is going to have this gradient, so we can write the general formula to be y equals minus a half x plus c. Then we know our minus 2 and 5, labeling this x and y, and plugging into our formula, we get 5 is equal to minus a half times by minus 2 plus c. So 5 is equal to 1 plus c, because the minuses will cancel, and a half times by 2 is just going to be 1, therefore a positive 1. To solve for our c, we need to make it the subject of the formula. We see that it's being added to 1 right now. To reverse this, we minus 1 from both sides to get 4 is equal to c, and therefore the equation of the line is y equals to minus a half x plus 4. Okay, that's going to conclude today's video on equation of the line. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned something. As always, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.